The cost of freedom is always high, but Indians have always paid it. On one path we shall never choose, and that is the path of surrender or submission. So, good morning, everybody. I'm Disha Chaudhary from Class 9C. Today, we are safe in our country because our army has secured and protected our borders. They put their today in danger for keeping our tomorrow safe. Today, if our country is able to retain its independence, that is only because of army. Although we should thank the army for protecting us every day, but this day is specially dedicated to the army and it gives us the chance to show our love and respect towards it. This day is celebrated especially in the respect of Lieutenant General of India, K.M. Khariyappa. He was the first army's commander in chief of independent India. Army Day is celebrated every year at national capital, New Delhi, where various parades and military shows are organized. On this day, all ministers and different officials gather at the Amar Jawan Jyoti in New Delhi to pay special tribute to soldiers who sacrificed their life for saving us. There is the biggest contribution of Indian Army to maintain the peace and harmony in the country as well as between other nations also. There have been many cases in the history of the Indian Army where they have helped other nations to protect their independence. We all know the nature of Indian Army that it is one of the strongest army in the world when it comes to be protection of the nation. But on the other hand, it also has a soft side where it is always ready to help the other countries by protecting human rights and promoting rule of law among nations. Indian Army not only protect the country from the external threat but also from the internal threats. During the situation of natural disaster, Indian Army has played a crucial role during many situation of natural disaster like in that of Uttarakhand's disaster. The soldiers of Indian Army are always ready to sacrifice themselves for protecting their motherland and its citizens. Indian soldiers are the perfect symbol of the true patriot. They leave behind their own family to serve their nation and to make it proud in the world. The dedication, discipline, and patriotism are the special traits of them. Nothing can keep a soldier away from performing his duty on the border. We all should admire their efforts and learn that what a true patriot look like. Thank you.